Hello, welcome back to another Photoshop video. In this I want to look at new document and how we might optimize that particular feature to make it better and more seamless. So go to File and go to New, and you can see this menu comes up. Now the issue with this menu is it's kind of like a little bit pointless. So we may as well revert back to the old one. So let's go to Edit, and if we go back to Preferences, in general, there is actually the ability to do so. So it says, so you can see, use legacy new document interface. So let's try that instead. So we do that, and then we do new. You see instead we get this, which is much better, right? So you can do different things. You can choose, you can do, I want something for film and video. There's 1080p. So that's going to be perfect, right? If you're going to be working with multimedia. So that way you don't have to go into that big box with a lot of kind of pointless things in there. So another thing you can do, say we zoom in. So the way I tend to zoom in, you can press the magnifying glass. I like to press Control and plus and minus, and then use the hand here to move around. Say we're at a good spot, and we wanted to just look at the whole picture. What we can do is hold H and then press the button, hold down the mouse button. You see, it will take you to this, seeing the full screen. And it will do that regardless of like how zoomed in you are, right? So we could zoom in even further. Hold down H, press the mouse button, the left mouse button, and it lets you see that external view. It's just, and when you let go of the mouse, it goes back. Now I'd like to show something with new document. If we go to image and we go mode, we're going to change this. Normally it's RGB color. We're going to change it to something else. Let's do that. So now we've turned it to CMYK color. Okay, so now we press Control A, we'll select all, and Control C to copy. Now we're going to do new document type clipboard, and you'll see it's put in all the things into the CMYK color. So if I press OK, you can see now we have the same document. You can see our mode here, CMYK color. So that's a cool way to start a new document in a kind of seamless way. And yeah, so that's all for now. So thanks for watching.